Dear children, heartiest welcome in English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 7, that is Chandni, of your book, that is An Alien Hand. Dear children, these are expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving this exercise. As you know that we read and understand the whole chapter in previous 3 videos. Today we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Let's start. Let's first go to comprehension check, which is written on page number 45 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, why did Abu Khan's goats want to run away? What happened to them in the hills? अबू खान की बकरियां क्यों भाग जाना चाहती थी? उनके साथ पहाड़ियों में क्या होता था? The answer of this question is, Abu Khan's goats hate being tied to trees or poles. They loved their freedom. So whenever they got chance, they would run away. They were killed by an old wolf who lived in the hills. Now, second question. Abu Khan said, "No more goats in my house ever again." Then he changed his mind. Why? अबू खान ने कहा, आगे से मेरे घर में और कोई बकरी नहीं होगी. तब उन्होंने अपना मन बदल लिया. क्यों? The answer of this question is, whenever one of his gods disappeared, Abu Khan was very sad. So he said, "No more gods in my house ever again." However, the poor old man was terribly lonely. He felt he could not live without his pets. So he changed his mind and bought a young goat. Now, question number 3 is, why did he buy a young goat? उन्होंने एक युवा बकरी क्यों खरीदी? The answer of this question is, Abu Khan thought that a young goat will stay with me much longer. She will soon begin to love me as well as the food I give her every day. She will never want to go to the hills. So he bought a young goat. Now, let's go to another comprehension check, which is written on page number 49 in your book. The question number 1 under this exercise is, why did Chandni hate the rope round her neck? चांदनी अपने गले में पड़ी रस्सी से घृणा क्यों करती थी? The answer of this question is, every morning Chandni watched the hilltops bathed in the sunlight. She thought that those hills are very beautiful. She wanted to run towards the hills, but the rope round her neck would not let her go any further. So Chandni hated that rope. Another question is, now Abu Khan understood Chandni's problem. What was Chandni's problem? अब अबू खान चांदनी की समस्या को समझ गए. चांदनी की समस्या क्या थी? The answer of this question is, Chandni wanted to go to the hills and enjoy freedom by herself, but she could not. This was Chandni's problem. Now, question number 3. Dear children, this is multiple choice question. Abu Khan pushed Chandni into a small hut. This shows that he, अबू खान ने चांदनी को एक छोटी सी झोंपड़ी में धकेल दिया. इससे पता चलता है कि वह was cruel. Second one, loved her and wanted to save her life. Third one was selfish. The right answer is, he loved her and wanted to save her life. Now, let's go to the another comprehension check, which is written on page number 51 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, why did Chandni refuse to join the group of wild goats? चांदनी ने जंगली बकरियों के झुंड में शामिल होने से क्यों मना किया? The answer of this question is, Chandni refused to join the group of wild goats because she wanted to enjoy her new freedom all by herself. Now, second question of this exercise is, चांदनी fought the wolf because she, चांदनी उस भेड़िए से लड़ी क्योंकि वह, फर्स्ट वन was stronger than the wolf, second one hated the wolf, third one had to retain her freedom at all costs. Dear children, this is multiple choice question. The right answer of this question is had to retain her freedom at all costs. That is third one. Now let's go to the another exercise which is also written on page number 51 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, why did the wise old bird say चांदनी is the winner? बुद्धिमान बूढ़े पक्षी ने क्यों कहा चांदनी ही विजेता है? The answer of this question is, the wise old bird said that Chandni is the winner because Chandni had put up a brave fight to retain her freedom at all costs. Now another question is, death in an open field is better than life in a small hut. Chandni said to herself. Was it the right decision? Give reasons for your answer. खुले मैदान में मौत छोटी झोंपड़ी के जीवन से बेहतर है, चांदनी ने अपने आप से कहा। क्या यह सही निर्णय था? अपने उत्तर के पक्ष में कारण दीजिए। द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज यस, हर डिसीजन वाज राइट। देयर कैन बी नो लाइफ विदाउट फ्रीडम, सो एज फार एज पॉसिबल वन मस्ट ट्राई टू प्रोटेक्ट वंस फ्रीडम। शी प्रेफर्ड टू डाई इन फ्रीडम देन लिव इन स्लेवरी। नाउ question number 3. Freedom is life. Discuss this with reference to Chandni and I want something in a cage. स्वतंत्रता जीवन है, चांदनी और मुझे पिंजरे में कुछ चाहिए नामक पाठ के संदर्भ से इस बारे में चर्चा कीजिए। The answer of this question is yes, freedom is life. Both stories, Chandni and I want something in a cage, expressed it. In Chandni, it is expressed through gods, whereas in I want something in a cage, the same feeling has been expressed by a pair of doves. In both stories, the authors suggest that not only human beings but also other creatures can give their all for getting their freedom. Dear children, these are the question answers of this chapter, that is Chandni. I hope you understand it very well. There is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.